Hey guys, Binance is giving us another awesome chance to earn with their Megadrop campaign. This time it's Kernel Megadrop event where you can make money by staking or locking BNB. Binance is dropping 40 million kernel tokens, that's 4% of total 1 billion supply through their Megadrop platform. So if you participate in this campaign, then your rewards will hit your Binance Spot account on April 14, 2025 at 6 AM UTC. So in this video, I'll show you how you can participate this airdrop by completing Web3 quests. So keep in mind, to participate, you will need at least 0.01 BNB in your Binance Web3 wallet. I already have some BNB in my Web3 wallet, but I need a bit more. If you have BNB in your Binance Exchange wallet, here's how to transfer it. So go to your Web3 wallet, click receive, then select withdraw from Binance Exchange, choose BNB, select BNB Smart Chain and click continue. Now enter a small amount like 0.011 BNB. Then click withdraw. And confirm. Wait a moment. And your BNB arrives in your wallet. Head back to the Binance Exchange. Click Megadrop and select KernelDAO. Here, as you can see, the event is live. We're skipping the lock BNB option. And instead, click Start Quest. And start now. Now you will land on a new page here. So click Stake BNB. Then connect your Web3 wallet by selecting Binance. Once connected, enter your amount manually or here hit max. Click deposit, wait a bit and click confirm. Confirm again and you are done. So transaction submitted and wait a bit and it's successful. Go back to the Megadrop section, click verify. So as you can see, the task is now complete and we have successfully joined the Kernel Megadrop. If you want to withdraw your BNB, return to the same page and select withdraw option. But I'd suggest waiting until the event ends to keep your stake active. And that's it for this video. For more updates, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.